I've got HTC U Ultra, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using a home screen. Tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Let's scroll down to backup and reset right here. And select network settings reset. So this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, cellular data and Bluetooth. Choose reset settings and tap reset settings again to confirm the operation. Right now the device is erasing all customized network settings. Wait a few seconds. Network settings have been reset, so you can go back and start using your device. Everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.